Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In the last episode, we talked about techniques for oil and gas exploration. Today, I'll dwell on the subject of drilling, which is the means by which you reach the bottom of your reservoir in order to extract oil and gas. If you apply first principles, there are only three ways to make a hole in the ground. The first method uses a pick and a shovel, as is done in basic construction. Drilling for oil and gas using this method is very slow and inefficient. The second method is punching a hole in the ground using a large chisel-shaped device known as a pneumatic hammer. I guess a number of people will be familiar with that. It's faster than the first, but it's still a slow process as it achieves about 7.5 meters depth of drilling per day on average. The third method is by rotating a drill bit on a shaft, much like drilling a hole in a piece of wood. The three methods have been used at some points in the quest for oil and gas. The second method is still being used in some special applications today, while the third method, which is called rotary drilling, is contemporary and most common today. The rotary drilling rig, which rotates a long length of steel pipe with a bit on its end, was introduced between 1895 and 1930. Though it had major problems in the beginning, it could drill wells considerably faster, several hundreds, thousands of meters per day. Today, almost all wells are rotary drilled. Through the years, many types of drilled wells have thus emerged. A well drilled to discover a new oil and gas reserve is called an exploratory well or wildcat. Wells drilled to the sides of a discovered well to establish the extent of a field or reserve is called an appraisal well. Wells drilled within the known extent of a field are called production wells. Wells drilled between producing wells in an established field to increase the production rate are called infill wells. The main drilling tool is called the rotary drilling rig. It's a massive structure made of iron, steel, and numerous other components, which are classified into the following four systems. First is the power system. It usually comprises diesel engines located at the back of the rig with diesel storage tanks. Depending on the rig size and drilling depth, there are 1 to 4 of such diesel engines to provide power to the rig. A system of pulleys, belts, shafts, gears, and chains ensure power is transmitted from source to points of application on the rig. The second system on the drilling rig is called the hoisting system, comprising the crown block, traveling block, hoisting line, and drawworks. This system is used to raise, lower, and suspend equipment into the wellbore. They are suspended on the derrick or mast above the wellbore. Derricks are rated for maximum drill pipe load, with capacities ranging from 39 tons to 631 tons. They are also rated for wind, that is wind load, and can sustain winds of 160 to 206 kilometers per hour. One part of the hoisting system is the drill floor or derrick floor, which is a flat steel surface where all the drilling takes place. Derricks range in height from 24.4 meters to 57 meters tall. A derrick that can hold two lengths of drill pipe vertically is a double derrick. Most are treble derricks holding three lengths of drill pipe. The third system is the rotating system, comprising the drill bit, the string, the kelly, the rotary table, and swivel. The system is used to cut the hole in the ground. Then the fourth system is the circulating system, which pumps drilling mud in and out of the hole. It comprises pumps, mud tanks, mud agitators, shale shakers, decanters, and descenders, and a few others. These concepts and systems may appear complicated to the uninitiated. The reality, though, is that they are quite simple and have delivered great results over the years. For further insights, you would have to attend one of our classes where these can be broken into simpler pieces, and especially after watching live drilling operations, those who are in doubt will be convinced. We hope you've enjoyed listening and that it's been simple, made sense, and subsequently leads to success. Remember to hit the subscribe button, like, and share. We are For Sale TMV Services. Thank you.